English, yes. Okay. Please open at the page number 56. Grammar book, page number 56. Last day, actually page number 55, I have not completed. I have told you to complete yourself. So please first, good morning Ronak. If you have not completed, please tell me. I will do for first page number 55. Page number 55. Page number 55. I am just telling once again because simple future tense. I will do page number C. I have told you, besides that, again I am telling you, tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will prepare for my whatever. Please tell. Shankalan, please tell, have you completed or not? Or Nasreen also you. Please tell Shankalan. I am waiting for your answer. Have you done or I'll do again? Tomorrow dash I will prepare for my unit test. The baby will. Okay, you have completed. So anybody if have not completed, so I'll do or not? Please tell me. Okay, again I am telling. The baby will start to walk very soon. I will join you in the evening. We will start, we will play out when it stops raining. I will do, Joydeep. Okay, tomorrow, do means I will do, or have you done or not? So, okay, first I'll write, tomorrow I will join for my unit test. Prepare also you can do, no problem for that. Number 2, the baby will start to walk very soon. Number 3, I will call you in the evening. Okay, I will call you just for, please write quickly those who have not done. We will play out when, Noreen, okay, no problem, whatever. Number 4, we'll play out when it stops raining. Number 5, he will join his father's business. He grows up. If it rains today also, it will become very cold. Okay. Number 6, it will become very cold. Number 7, here I am writing. Number 7, next week we will play also. So here also number 4 I have written the play. You can write go. will go out when it stops writing. Number 7 we can write. Next week we will play a friendly match. Number 8. Number 8. I hope you will enjoy. And number 9, the guard will blow whistle. The guard will blow whistle and the train will start. Okay. So train will start. So next page we will go. Okay, Priyanka also done. So yes. Okay, you have completed. So page number 56. Okay, page number 56. The chapter number can, could. First, we should write can or could. Where we can use can, where we can use could. So can means if we are having ability. Ability means, Noreen, please better stop your front camera. Number 3, Sankalan number 3 and 8, you cannot do. Number 3, actually 3, I will, here I have written there, the baby will number, and number 8, you will enjoy the show. Number 8, you will enjoy the show. Sankalan. Number 3, tomorrow. Sankalan, have you done? Yes or no? Please tell me. Okay, thank you, beta. Now please listen. Can means ability. Ability. Cannot means suggest. That does not have ability. Please remember this one. Could. Past tense of can. Okay. If you want, you can. But could, I am not telling. Can only, I am telling. Can, cannot. Sorry, can or cannot. One thing, please just notice that cannot is only one word. In English literature, we should not write can't. You will not write. I am just telling you cannot write like this. Always you should write cannot and in one spelling. Cannot. It is not another spelling. Only cannot. It is the same spelling. Please remember this one. Okay. So, cannot means does not have ability. Absence of ability. If you are having some ability. If I am telling that all the students of class 3 Pine can write a nice paragraph. That means you are able to write a paragraph. Okay. About your home, about your mother, about your school. You are having ability. Rajkishore, please don't send. Please listen and understand. Okay. So that is the thing. So please remember, can means that ability. I can jump. I can run. Can a tortoise run? No. So tortoise cannot run. So that's why Indrila, I am just telling, please listen. If you want, you can write because this will be going to the YouTube class also. So please listen. Can means ability, cannot means you don't have ability. You don't have ability. A man cannot fly. Okay, a man cannot fly, but a bird can fly. Listen, that example. Man cannot fly, a bird can fly. That does means the man is having ability to run, but he does not have ability to fly. Khomota nei, in Bengali we are telling, okay, that pare na. Able to do, but a bird can fly. So that things, please remember. Here, example, the ostrich can run very fast, but it cannot fly. You know that. So ability means that I am able to do. But some things I cannot do means I am not able to do. So exercise number B, page number 56, only you should remember these things. Can, cannot, means can means ability, cannot means does not have ability. So page number 56, exercise number B. Fill in the blanks, can or cannot. You can do in your book or copy, whatever you think. Only you have to understand, okay? So rabbit can hop. Tortoise cannot. Cannot, always you should write like this. All I am telling, please write, don't write can't. If you write can't, I will not give marks. Okay. Number 2, we cannot live without water. Number 3, a camel can live without water for many days. Number 4, Kapil is very weak. He can walk, but he cannot run. Number 4, he can walk, he cannot run. Number 5, Mrs. Rao is a trained nurse. She can look after the patient very well because she is able to do. Number 5, she can. Number 6, I do not know how to swim. I do not know how to swim. So I cannot cross. I cannot cross the deep river. Okay. Number 7. Jishnu, please don't send the time. Okay. So, number 7. Very few people. Number 7. Very few people can sing as sweetly as Shreya. Very few people. So, can sing. Very few people means actually it is very less people. Because Shreya is very, she is very good singer. So, that's why we are comparing like this. Can. Number 8. This plant needs a lot of sun. It can grow indoors. Or lot of sun. So it cannot. Yes. Yes. Tell me. Okay, but revise it. Number 9. You can complete this work alone, or can you complete this work alone? Do you need some help? Number 10. I like these books, but I cannot purchase them because I don't have money. I have no money. Number 11. Sumanjit is very intelligent. She can score grades. Number 12. The grapes are very high. I don't think. I don't think fox can reach them. Actually, this number 12, the meaning you should remember. Grapes are high. I don't think. That is not 12, not cannot, beta. I don't think. Okay, so fox can reach them. Because to not, I use. Okay, meaning you should remember. So here, should and should not, next day I will read. So today only for can or cannot. And here, if you don't understand, please tell me. Should means only I am telling suggestion. I am just telling you should do. Means I am suggesting you that you should do. But if I am telling I can do it, that means I am having ability. So whenever I am revising this full mixing, I will mix these two things and I will give some fill in the blanks. Okay? Please do it. And if you are having any problem, please tell me. Please tell me if you are having any problem. No problem. So please, today this much enough. So thank you. Have a nice day, beta.